Check out the soil. It's brown on top, but black underneath. That's black. The best soil that you will find on the planet. When you eat organic, it has to come from black. The first children that Yahweh created were black. The goal of Satan, the devil, is to destroy the image of God, the image of those first children that he created in the garden through mixing. He done mixed black people with some of everything. Demons, animals, other races that were not created by God Almighty. They want to destroy the image of God, but they will not be successful. In the end, everybody's gonna be black, just like it was in the beginning. Yahweh didn't abandon his plans, he just prolonged them to prove a point to man. I think that point has been proven. We don't have much longer.